Hi, I am Khushbu and welcome to Khushbu's Healthy Life. This is the third part of the awareness about the breast cancer and the thyroid cancer. Last video में मैंने आपको ये बोला था कि आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द इंडोप्रेडिक टेस्ट. तो चलिए सबसे पहले ये जानते हैं कि व्हाट इज इंडोप्रेडिक टेस्ट. Endopredict test will help you make a decision about the treatment of the cancer risk coming back in the part of the body away from the breast after the diagnosis or after the diagnosis 10 year of the diagnosis, or also it helps you to provide you the risk score, like it is a high risk score or the low risk score of the cancer, or also it will reoccurring as a distant metastatic. Or this test will also help to the woman or their doctor to decide whether the patient need the chemotherapy or other treatment after the surgery or not. Endopredict test is offered by the Myriad Genetic as the newly diagnosed of the cancer. Is genomic test for the newly diagnosed of the early stage. Now, what is genomic test? So, genomic test where the doctor are able to analyze with a sample of the cancer tumor whether how the cancer genes are active, how much they are growing, and also doctor see or analyze how much the cancer genes are active, whether they are spreading highly spread or whether they are spreading in on and off position. And also genomic test help the doctor that patient need more treatment after surgery or not. Now, who is eligible for the endopredict test? Endopredict test, if the person or the patient is estrogen receptor positive, and second is HERS, HERS, HERS estrogen positive. Now we should understand what is the estrogen receptor means. So estrogen receptor means where the doctor comes to know the stage of the breast cancer, the grade of the breast cancer, and the type of the breast cancer. Estrogen receptor is always in on and off position. Means in the breast cancer, cancer cells are growing but not rapidly, and where the receptor suggests the patient or the doctor that the patient require a chemotherapy or the hormonal therapy. HERS receptor is always in on position. It is a very fast growing tumor, and here the doctor is treated with the chemotherapy or the targeted therapy. 80% of breast cancer are the estrogen receptor positive, and the 20% of breast cancer are HERS receptor positive, or some breast cancer can be both negative. So doctor are treated estrogen positive, estrogen receptor positive with the chemotherapy or the targeted therapy, and the HERS positive doctor are treated with the chemotherapy. Now we should understand how endopredict test work. So first point is endopredict test analyze the activity of 12 genes in the breast cancer cells. Now we should talk about the insurance coverage of the endopredict test. It is little expensive side. When we did for my mother, it took around 1,30,000 that time, and I think it's a good thing, because in this test we should come to know that how much risk factor in your body is having after 10 year or after 5 year. So we did that, and mummy ka it was estrogen receptor positive, and there the doctor come to know that how much chemotherapy doses they have to give, or how to break the one dose or the two dose, and I mean to say that they have to break like one dose into 4 dose or one dose into 3 dose. So in full information is like in full information in the in that report was there, and I think it's a good thing you have to do if you are eligible for that. If your office or if your like company will provide you insurance for this endoprotect test, so I think you have to go for that. So thank you so much for watching Khushbu's Healthy Life.